everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Lincoln Navigator. If your key fob is not working and how you can get into your car, that tip I wanted to share with you. You can get into your Lincoln car with the blade key. In order to get the blade key out, you slide this small tab, you slide it like this. With the help of your nail, you slide it, fingernail, you press it, you slide it out, just like this. So let me show you. Let's go to our car and I'll open it for you. I'm going to lock the Lincoln Navigator. As you see, it's locked. Small tab, you slide it this way and then you put your nail here and it will pop open. So this will work for you in case if your key fob battery is dead and you want to get into your Lincoln. See, you do it, the lock will open. I left the window open so you can see it. I'm going to insert my key and I will turn it. It will open it. As you see, it closes and it opens. Once it's open, now we can get into our Lincoln. That's how simple and easy. If your key fob is not working or your battery gone dead, you can get into your Lincoln Navigator. So I hope this video will help you out so the blade key will work for you.